Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to B&CRC. Those sons of bitches at Horizon Hobby got me with that fucking sale again. All the drag cars are on sale now. Picked up the Losi 22S Drag Truck for $199.99 while supplies last. Seems like a pretty good deal since that's what they were selling the drag rollers for quite a while. Only comes in a MagnaFlow box. It's supposed to be the black one. Let's tear this fucker open and see what you get. Got a new tool for opening my boxes because them scissors pissed me off last time. Not sure this is better, but it's different. Ooh, it's way better. Fuck yeah. Then you can defend yourself with it if you need be. When the world the way it's going now, you might need it someday. Alright, let's see what the fucking shit looks like. Yep, it's the black one. Shit. Look very familiar. Packed the same way as the 22S short course trucks that we got last week. Uh-oh, I need my machete again. Oh, they got carried away with the tape. I ain't sure. I think that fucker will even work on zip ties. More of them no-name AA batteries for the radio. You can't see me. The fucking box is blocking out the sun here. I'll tell you right now, that's a pretty cool looking truck. I ain't got much room to put it over there. I got too much shit on the showcase beside me here. Stickers, Proline, foam battery box, so you can move the weight around a little bit with that. That's useful. Spectrum SLT3. It must be a 3-channel or something. It's got different lettering than the other one from the short course trucks. Whatever. Get this sumbitch out of here. Whoa, don't drop it. Bye-bye to the box. Yeah, pretty good looking truck. No surprise there. I think I won't use the machete for this part though. Just because I don't want to cut my arm off in front of a live audience. Yeah, there's one. 2 zip ties. Curious to see how this sucker's gonna match up to the drag slash. That was 3S capable. This is only 2S capable from what I can tell. A little bit of half-ass research I did. It's a good looking truck. Not really a Ford guy, but got a nice detailed grille and bumper there. There's some weird mold lines in the body. Whatever, I can live with that. It'll be all fucked up after the first time I run it anyway. Pretty similar to the Slash. Love the hood scoop with the little K&N decals. Probably end up peeling the Losi decals off the door. I gave them my money. I don't need to advertise for them. If they want me to advertise for them, they should give me some fucking money. Oh, we got lights. Got lights in there. I think I saw that in someone else's unboxing. Oh, there we go. Yeah, headlights. Little molded roll bar to probably add some rigidity to the body. Pretty nice wing back there. Love the hood scoop. That's sharp looking. I think they did a pretty good job on that. This has an aluminum chassis. The short course trucks did not. Got that's a big ass plug. I think I got a couple of 2S light bulbs that'll work with that. I don't know if it's XT60 or XT90 or what it is. I don't know them apart. I'm still a D's plug guy. I haven't given up on them yet. Oh, cool body mount setup. Got some shock limiters on the shafts on them rear shocks. It's kind of odd because I know they had a little design flaw where the Axle was hitting the gear cover in it. Still, no, it doesn't quite hit it. Them limiters are short enough. That must have been their solution to that. Whatever. An adjustable wheelie bar, but it's adjustable with a turnbuckle. Kind of odd. I myself like to put a little bit of a shock in there so the wheelie bar actually moves, because if you really load a wheelie bar, you can get the back wheels off the ground too, and that is the end of you going in a straight line, generally. Waterproof servo, everything should be waterproof, but if you drag race into wet, you're a dumb fuck, kind of. Pretty heavy mold line on them tires. I don't know. I guess after a couple burnouts, those will be gone. Love the wheels. Pretty realistic looking, like a Weld Pro Star. Little imitation lug nuts on there. They did a nice job on that. I think I'm going to charge a battery and take it right outside and see what it's made of. If I have one with the right plug, which I should. I hate to run a fucking adapter. That's it. I'm going to shut the fuck up and go outside and see what this thing will do on the road out front. Then we'll start playing around with shock wheels and stuff and try to get some kind of half-ass setup on it. That's it for this part. See you guys later.